In this video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix on Android Auto. Firstly, open Google Chrome on your Android phone and visit the official in-car app download page. Search for in-car app, APK, or use the link provided in the app source. Tap the three dots menu on the top right corner of Chrome, then select Add to Home Screen to install the Add in-car to your phone easily. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation and make sure to allow app permissions as requested. Now connect your Android phone to your car's infotainment system. Open the in-car app on your Android Auto screen and you will see all installed apps displayed on one screen inside in-car. Find and select the Netflix app in the in-car interface. Netflix will launch, allowing you to watch your favorite movies or shows directly on Android Auto's display. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.